Today I got an outdoor portable grill. Let's see what's all included. Wheel barbecue. That was super simple to put together. It didn't take but a few minutes. Okay, I want to go over some of the features of this grill. It's got a nice tray on the bottom if you need to store items. It's got an ash outlet on the side if you need to dump the ashes out, and also you can control the airflow on the sides if you need more air. It's also got a smart cold plate on the inside, and it's got holes in it for excellent ventilation, and also it's adjustable. You can move it down if you need to. It also comes featured with this grilling grate. It also has two handles on each side if you need to take this and go dump your charcoal. All right, only thing left to do now is add some charcoal and get to cooking.